Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you um, how to purchase a domain and then hosting using Namecheap.com. Right. So how to buy a domain for your website project and also an hosting. So why I prefer Namecheap for domains actually is because their server is pretty fast, actually very fast than compared to other hosting services. So once you use your website with them, you can be rest assured that your website's load time will be very high, and also their price is also cheaper compared to other domain providers or domain registrars. So Namecheap is very good, and they are very reliable. They have a good customer service. I will talk about their website speed, and also they they offer a good service overall, and they're just the best for me. And so let's get started into the video. Let me show you how you can get your own domain and hosting from namecheap.com. So first things first, you go to the website, which is this namecheap.com. I'm already here, and so right here on the website, you can just search on the domain you need. So yes, I could just say my client's domain and click on search. Okay, so as you can see here, my client's domain.domains is still active and it's free to be bought, so you can buy it. My client's domain.com, this is actually still free, so the .com extension is available. You can see the price here is $10.28. My client's domain.org is $8.98 per year. My client's domain.net is 11.98. So whichever domain you choose, just type it in here, then search for it to see if it's available. Then you see the cost for each extension, whether you want a .com, a .org, a .net, or whatsoever. Alright. Then let's say I'm going with the .com. I click on add to cart. Alright. So after adding to cart, you can come here and click on hosting. That's if you want to buy an hosting also after buying your domain. Click on hosting, and as you can see here, they have various hosting. They have the shared hosting, they have the WordPress hosting, they have reseller hosting, they have VPS hosting, they have dedicated servers, and they also have an option for you to migrate your domain to Namecheap hosting. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'll be using the shared hosting, which is always very good for me. Very good for most projects. And here's the page. So in the Stellar hosting, you have the different prices. The one of $1.98 per month, then $2.98 per month, $4.98 per month. Then you can see the features. This first one gives you the ability to host 3 websites, a 20 gig SSD storage, 30 mailboxes, and a website builder. You can also go through the rest to see the features, but for this video I'll be using the Stellar package, which is also very good. And now click on get started. can see here the stellar hosting for a year is about $22.88, and you can see the price for the domain which we selected earlier, which is $10.46 per year. So since we already have this, we have the hosting that we need, also have the domain that we need. Then we can click on add to cart. You can click on add to cart. So I just click on add to cart here. And lest I forget, for any domain you buy, you'll be charged an ICANN fee. So for now it's $0.18, which will be added to your cart, and you see it in the checkout. So I just click on add to cart now. Alright, so after clicking add to cart now, it takes you to the page where you see the breakdown of everything you've added to cart: the domain, the hosting, and from there on you can just click on confirm order. So you click on confirm order, you'll be taken to where you can put your card details to make payments, and you can choose whichever payment option is available for you or is convenient for you to use. So that's basically how you purchase a domain and hosting using Namecheap. So if you want to get your domain and hosting, I have a link in the description below, so just click on that link to take you straight to namecheap.com to show you the page to buy your domain and hosting. Alright, then just click on the link below and to take you to Namecheap. So thank you very much for watching today's video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also click on the subscribe notification bell if you've not subscribed yet. Thank you very much.